Hi, this is John. I've just skied the Blizzard Magnum 7.6. I'd give this a 4.5 star rating. This is a little bit wider underfoot than the 7.4. Real good edge control, just like the last one. I think it's a little stiffer at the $5.99 price point. Between this and the 7.4, I think I'd spend the extra 100 and go up to this one. This ski was extremely easy to ski. Like I said, the stiffness made it a little bit snappier coming out of the turn. So highly recommend this for a high intermediate, possibly beginner advanced skier.